Check out these retro golden syrup dumplings living up to their name. Super fluffy, thick syrup, and a little pinch of spice. What more could you want? To make the dumplings, add the flour, cold butter, optional sugar and a little mixed spice into a bowl and mix with your fingers. You're looking for this crumbly, fluffy texture. No need to get it super perfect though. Pour in the milk and then mix with a fork until all the dough comes together. Now for the fun part. Let's scoop up a tablespoon or so of the dough and roll it up into rough little balls, kind of the size of walnuts. You should end up with around 14 or so. Now let's make that sauce. Grab your saucepan, heat it up, then melt that butter and throw in the brown sugar. Next we'll pour in the water and scrape in that sticky, messy golden syrup as best you can. Then stir it in with that same spoon so you get all the last little bits in there. Once your syrup is bubbling away, gently plunk in your dumplings into the sauce, then turn them over to get them all snug and cozy. Cover with the lid, then let them nap for around 20 minutes or so at a nice gentle simmer. Dish up with plenty of golden sauce and ice cream, custard, whipped cream, or all three. So get ready to make this amazing winter dessert. Chances are you've probably got all the ingredients already.